Kalamazoo Industries 1SM 1x42-inch belt sander can accommodate various styles of belts, all steel construction, 1/3 single phase 115 volt motor, all steel construction, steel work table and platen, removable and adjustable, easy access guard for belt change, easy belt tracking, one tracking knob system. In order to track the belt, just loosen the knob slightly and move back and front depending on which way you need to track the belt, then tighten. You can sand wood, metal, steel, aluminum, brass, and other ferrous and non-ferrous materials quickly and efficiently with the right style of belt.